Okay, boys and girls, today for our viewing pleasure, we have a Robinair 15600. Supposedly this is the same as the 15400. I don't know. A friend of mine gave it to me. Here, it's yours. But here's all that was left of the handle. So long story short, don't clean this tool with electrical parts cleaner. It'll fall apart. So we went to the store. We got all new pieces. We got all new pieces, and we're gonna put it on. We even got the little handle. So get some tools together, and we'll put this together. All right, it appears we have everything. First, we'll replace the power cord here. There's your capacitor. That's a star. We don't have everything. Damn it. All right, it's right here on the workbench here. Okay. So there's your ground. There's your white. Now these two blacks went to the switch. Okay. Here's your wire. There's nothing wrong with this one. We'll keep it in the spare parts pile. But here's a new one. Make sure to line everything up. Boop, boop, boop. Alright, make sure that's secure. And this guy lives over here. Comes with new screws. Might as well use them. When you order the top, it comes with new O-rings and a new switch, screws. We'll replace the O-rings on that. So here's the new switch. Ooh, off and on. I don't think the other one, oh, the other one said off and on. Okay. Well, it even says 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Interesting. So one on one, one on the other. It's a simple single pole switch. Hide the capacitor in the cap there. You gotta orient this plug so it doesn't get all messed up. The other plug had a groove. This one don't have a groove. Oh, there you go. So that piece comes out, and there's your groove. Make sure everything's sitting happy. I wouldn't tighten these down all the way. Just get them started. Oops. Just get them started because we got to get the vent on here. said, just get them started so you can move that around a little bit. Now, we got this guy in here. And they give you 3 new O-rings. You gotta change the O-rings. Place that aside. Got a little screwdriver here. It's a bit of a pain because I got vacuum oil all over them. And I know you guys say, hey, you could cut those. I know. See if we get that one off the top. Woo! Okay. So, I'm gonna wipe that crud off my hand. See those 3 grooves? 1, 2, 3. Now, I don't have grease, but I have vacuum pump oil. So, say oil them up before you slam it in. It's like 44 degrees in my garage, so my fingers are kind of getting a little numb. But this is how we do it. Be careful of the threads. You don't want to nick your new seal. Make sure it's on there straight. Might need a little help getting over this lip because it ends up flat. This ends up flat. So, your lubricant. And this has a torque rating on it. So, we're going to use the torque wrench. Again, there's lubricant everywhere. Make sure over here. Okay. Now, tighten the rest of your 4. Oh boy, catastrophe. The sky is falling. You know, I don't have a brand new one of these to compare it to, but fits perfectly. Fits perfectly. Okay. So, we got to get this guy on. And I think the only way to do that Yeah, buddy. Gentle, gentle. It's only brass. And you're right next to your valve there. Oh boy. A little bit more. Just a little bit. There you go. I hope you guys got that. Okay. So, there's all like that. Now line it up. Yeah, I know. I don't have a smaller hammer. Okay. Send that fucker home. Looks good to me. Maybe another love tap over here with this guy. And you're golden. All right, that looks good. Starting to look like a new device here. Okay, flip it on her side. What we got here? When I ordered this, I was worried because I mean, there's no description, but the base comes with the rubber feet. So, if you're worried about it, they do come with the rubber feet. Hope we're in frame there. Okay, here's the curve. And all right. Seriously. I mean, I don't know if you want to watch me tighten these 4 bolts here, but they, that's it. Pour oil in it. Again, a friend gave it to me, so I don't know the condition it was in. He says it works. You know, who knows if it needs a rebuild or whatever. We actually traded. I gave him a vacuum pump. He was happy. It was a much bigger industrial size vacuum pump. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I drained the oil. We'll put new fresh oil in it. We'll see if she's got vacuum. Hey, who knows? Okay. See if she even turns on. Hee hee. There you go, boys and girls. All right, give me a second. We'll plug her in. We'll fill her out. We'll plug her in. Yeah. All right, we're filled with oil. We're plugged in, I think. 3, 2, 1, engage. That don't sound good. What did I do wrong? Something. Okay. Maybe just had a little hiccups in the pump. Like I said, it was drained for like a week. It's all right. Next, we'll hook up a gauge to it and see how much, see if it pulls a good vacuum. All right, boys and girls. We got the $20 Harbor Freight gauge connected to the, I don't know, $250 pump, $300 pump. Whatever. It's fairly accurate. It's just for testing. All right, so there you go. What is that? There you don't go. Don't do that. But I put everything back on. It works. This thing may have other problems. We'll check it out. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So long and good luck on your projects.